Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about PowerPoint tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you on how to see some of inbuilt templates in PowerPoint online that you can use right here in your PowerPoint for a stunning PowerPoint presentation design. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do right here, when you open up your PowerPoint, next thing you want to do, and you want to get a particular template for your design, what you need to do is to come to the top right here, go ahead and click on File. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on New, and then you are here. So what you need to do right here, first thing first, make sure you are connected to internet, just like what you see right here. And the next thing you want to do is to come here, go ahead and click on Search for Online Templates and Themes. So here you can search for, let's say for instance, you are designing something related to Office. Just type in Office right here, and then hit Enter. Then in a few seconds, you are going to see different templates, just like what you see right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different templates. So if you want to use any of the templates right here, so just go ahead and click on the template, and you have the preview of how the template is going to look like. Go ahead and click on Create, and in a few seconds, it's going to be imported into your slider right here. So you have different templates, about 1 to 10 layouts right here. And then one thing here is that this particular template you can modify as the case may be. Like for instance, if you want to change this particular layout, you can easily right click and then go to layout right here. You can use different layouts as the case may be. So let's go ahead and change to another layout. Have a new layout entirely. Press Ctrl C. This will take you back to your previous layout. It's that simple. Then you can start to do different designs as the case may be. You can begin to edit the text just like so. You have the text right here that is very much editable. Just highlight and enter new, you can say new text right here. And you want to work on the background, so go ahead and select on the slider right here. Right click on the slider, then go ahead and click on Format Background. So when you click on Format Background, then this one here is in a solid color. Okay, you can change the color from the options right here. This is a linear gradient. You can decide to make it green. So you can work on different color as the case may be. Then you have different color right here. You can easily another color right here on the side, or better still, you can choose faded, and then you have everything being reflected in your design right here. You can go on and do different things right here. So from the slider right here, you can add image, click on that, and then go ahead and insert your image into this particular slider. Then you can go ahead and enter your text right here, add your slider title as the case may be. You can go on and work on each of the slider right here. If you are not satisfied with some of the slider, you can delete them away. So select on the slider you don't want. Like for instance, if you are not like this slider, right click on it, and then go ahead and click on delete slider. Boom, and you have that being deleted. So it's that simple. If you are not satisfied with the entire template and theme you have in right here, you can go back to top right here. Go ahead and click on File, and then go ahead and make sure you click on New, and then come to the search right here. You can search for another template as the case may be. You can say work, just like so, and then hit Enter or search icon, and in a few seconds you have different templates right here. So if you are satisfied with any of the templates right here, select on the template. Like for instance, I like this template, so we can easily go ahead and click on the template, and then you see the preview of the template right here. Then you go ahead and click on Create. So this is travel presentation template. Okay, then you have the template right here. So you can work on this template right here. You can edit, you can change the text, you can change the font style, font color, you can change the background design as the case may be. You can delete and subtract and add different slider as the case may be. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use PowerPoint presentation, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.